Microsoft 365 Copilot not only assists with document editing, but also offers a range of features for this purpose. Now, if you're in the process of editing any kind of document and require assistance, Copilot provides numerous functionalities to aid you in that process. Now, this extends well beyond the previous discussed capabilities such as text highlighting and rewriting. In this case, it involves utilizing the sidebar using the main Copilot icon that you click on the ribbon. However, the current limitation is that the Copilot, or even using the sidebar, cannot directly transfer content from the sidebar into your document or perform the editing on your behalf. Although this may change in the future, it's not possible at the present. So, in this particular video, we are going to explore some examples. Hello, my name is Paresh, and you're watching 365 Pros. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I hope you do, and also click the bell icon so that you get notifications of my upcoming videos. So, let's just go ahead and have a look at those examples. Now, what I have here is again the same document that I have been using in my previous videos. It's my executive summary, a market analysis, basically my proposal for expanding my coffee product in Europe. And what I want to do is I want Copilot to write an introductory paragraph and make it sound more fun. So what I'm going to do over here is that I'm going to write a prompt where I say, write an intro paragraph for this document and make it sound fun. Now, what Copilot is going to do over here is that read the document. It would probably consult external sources and then generate the paragraph for me. So let's just see what it has done. Now, you over here, you can see that it does say that this response isn't based on the document, which means that it has also consulted an external source or sources as well. All right. But it does not mean that it has not read this document. It has basically read this document and also consulted external source. And based on that, it has generated a paragraph. Now, it over here, it says, get ready for a caffeine fuel adventure. We are taking our delicious, ethically sound coffee across the pond on Europe, blah, blah, blah. Right. So that basically sounds a little more fun than what is written over here. But the bad thing is that it actually won't know where to put this in the document at the end. Right? Should I put in the beginning? Should I put in the middle or at the end? So basically, Copilot cannot do that action right now for you. So what you can do is basically copy this or copy parts of this and then paste it in the document wherever you want. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can also ask Copilot to add things as well in your document. So what I'm going to ask is to add a paragraph on competitor analysis. All right. So let's just go ahead and add the prompt. And over here, I add a prompt to say, add a paragraph on competitor analysis, and then click on send. Now over here, you can see that it says this response isn't based on the document. Now, that is because of the fact that it has to consult outside sources, right? But you need to note that it still reads this document and keeps that in mind because you can see that it has references to a European market as well, right? So it makes references from outside the document, but also goes through this document to come up with a response. So basically, this is how you can ask the Copilot to add certain sections. And again, you can copy this content. And what you can do is you can paste it in your document because unfortunately, Copilot cannot do that for you as of now. Finally, the other thing you can do here is that you can ask it to read a section and revise it for you. For example, here we have the executive summary. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Copilot to look at it and to revise it to basically make it sound more urgent. All right. So let's just go ahead and create the prompt here. And what I'm saying here is revise the executive summary section to make it sound a little more urgent than what it looks right now, and click on send. All right. So over here, you can see that in this case, it's not referring to any external sources because it does not say that this response isn't based on this document. It basically gives you the references, what it has looked into, and you can click on those references. So it has basically looked into the executive summary, which it specifies here, and it has read the executive summary and tried to make it sound a little more urgent. For example, what you can see over here. saying that the European market is ripe for our ethically sourced delicious coffee and we must act right now. So it does sound a little more urgent, right? And again, it uses factors from the document, which is really really great as well. Now, if we want, we can also ask it again to make it even more urgent, and it will definitely go through the document and try to make it a little more urgent, basically rephrase the words as well, right? So you can choose to follow up with more prompts as well. So in a nutshell, these are the ways you can use the chat with Copilot feature to basically make edits in your document. Unfortunately, right now, Copilot cannot edit the document for you, but you can certainly copy and paste the content that is generated by Copilot. I hope you like this video, and to watch more such videos, keep watching 365 Pros and stay tuned. Bye for now.